Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. If you want to earn a six-figure income online this year, then stick around. I'm going to give you an update to the six-figure partner program. But before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home, and I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon that we can be notified when I upload new videos. With that being said, we're going to go over the six-figure partner program. I'm just going to give you a recap in case you haven't seen some of my other videos on this, but I wanted to share with you some really exciting changes that have happened with the program. The six-figure partner program is a 6-week mentoring program teaching you how to build a business from scratch by copying exactly what a seven-figure income earner is doing on a daily basis. The creator of the program is my mentor, Joshua Elder. He's been full-time online for 5 years, generated multiple seven figures. He's mastered free YouTube marketing and has over 50,000 subscribers and 2 million views on his channel, so he absolutely knows what he's doing. He created it because he had some success stories, but there wasn't as many as he would have liked. So he just wanted to create something where people could actually just copy and paste everything that he's doing. And my experience with his programs, I started with his Inner Circle last summer and learned how to market using his free YouTube methods. And I earned over $43,000 in a year, and I earned over $600 a month residual income through Google AdSense, and I have over 7,000 subscribers. And a lot of people didn't stick with that original program, but I feel like this one is going to give people a lot more success because they're going to get into profit sooner because it's truly copy and paste, and you're learning how to set up a six-figure income from scratch, proven strategies that are working right now, everything that he's doing, and you learn how to build a YouTube channel for long-term success, and there's a sales team in place to close sales. So I wanted to show you some of the changes inside the six-figure partner program. Here, the first part is you're going to learn about high-ticket affiliate marketing, 3 markets that pay you passively. And this is super important as your mindset for success, and this is excellent as far as setting goals, creating your avatar. And then the first module, you're going to learn how to set up your ClickFunnels, or if you use Kartra, he goes over that. Setting up your messenger bot funnel setup. And then right here, where they have the sales team, will take care of closing all your sales for you. So you can just send people straight to a funnel and have the sales team take care of everything for you. This is what's new right here. One of the things is because people come in and they are building a YouTube channel, and that could take a little bit to build up an audience and get sales. So they wanted to add some fast traffic. The first one here is where you can buy their own personal traffic. So Brian Dixon is an 8-figure income earner. He has built his whole business on paid Facebook ads. Josh has done his with paid YouTube ads. So you can buy into their own personal traffic that they're generating, and it's working out very, very well. Let me show you the prices here, but it's converting great. You can see you can get 200 clicks for 180. So the prices are very, very reasonable, and like I said, it's converting very, very well. So it's like you're buying, like I said, their own personal traffic. The solo ad traffic you can purchase at a discount with their preferred provider here. So that is an incredible deal right there. And then the free traffic rotator, I've made several sales through that. Not to say that, there's no guarantee of sales, but you're being put into a rotator in Josh's personal email that he sends out to his list. So that is super easy to set up. Just send him your link, and you can start getting, that doesn't happen like every single day, but he will do that Every so often he'll send it out, and then I think I just got a sale tonight, I know, from that, and there was 3 or 4 that I got the other time that it was run. So that is really, really good because, like I said, it takes a little while to get the YouTube traffic going, but that's your long-term strategy that you want to do. So he shows you exactly how to set up your YouTube channel, and then you can use his videos. So you can put an intro at the beginning of it, or you can just leave it as is if you're not comfortable doing that yet. And he shows you how to download it, how to optimize it, how to create a thumbnail. And then in Module 3, you're going to learn how to send out his exact broadcast emails, how to put it into ClickFunnels and have your video in there. We have a private reciprocation Slack group where you can put your videos in there. Other people watch, like, and share or comment on them, and you do the same for them. He's got his daily method of operation, exactly what you should be doing every single day. His personal backlinks that he buys to rank his videos. And then if you want to, it's completely done for you video service. And Module 4 is the YouTube profit review method. I've made a lot of money with this method right here, tens of thousands of dollars, in fact. Keyword research and tracking, part 1-2, proof of concept strategy to scale your YouTube channel. And then Module 5 is the launch jacking overview, game plan and tools, how to select a product, how to do the pre-launch video, how to do a review video, how to create bonuses, which is super, super important to help with conversions. That's very easy to do. And then a case study that he has where he did launch jacking. So I just wanted to share with you these updates. I think the main thing was the being able to get fast traffic and being able to get a discount on their solo ad traffic, but also get into their personal traffic rotator, which is really, really great because, like I said, we're getting some good results with that. So just to recap again, this is not for anybody who's looking to make a quick buck or not to do any work at all, because you're looking to build a long-term business, but he's trying to give you some success up front here with the fast traffic. It is for somebody who is looking to build a long-term sustainable business, and people who are not making the money that they'd like to make with network marketing or affiliate marketing. Because it wasn't until I found Josh that I really started having success, because he, you could model after him and use the strategies that are working. So it's also for people who are just looking for a mentor. It's not one-on-one, but it's pretty much the closest you can get. I mean, the Facebook group is very, very supportive. Josh is in there. He's answering questions. And also it's for people who want to learn methods that actually work for high-ticket offers. Because that's where you're going to be able to replace your income, is by making these high-ticket sales. And you can earn up to $2,500 commissions. Of course, if you use the sales team, they take 20%, so it would be like $1,500 would be your commissions. And it's also for people like myself that believe in investing in high-quality education, not just investing in something to make money. It's actually learning skills that are going to pay you for years to come, and people who want to replace their income. Because, like I said, you need to have those high-ticket commissions to be able to replace your income. And also another thing, inside of the funnel that you can have the sales team close for you. I know Josh just yesterday mentioned in the Facebook group that there's going to be a recurring income inside of that funnel. So you could maybe even recoup your cost at the beginning of the traffic. So that's really exciting. That's coming. I'm not sure exactly what that recurring income is inside the funnel yet, but will be there very soon. How can you get started with a six-figure partner program? Click on the first link in the description, and you will be taken to a link to book a call to see if you're a good fit. And it's not like you're going to be talking to somebody and they're trying to just close you on something to make a sale. It's knowing what kind of person you are, because it's not just anybody. Yes, obviously you're going to need some money to invest, but it's people who actually that will do the work, and that we want everybody to be successful, not just come in and say, I need to make a lot of money fast. It's people who want quality education and want things that work, but are also willing to wait until they have success and not just quit because they're not seeing results right away. But we are seeing some really good results up front. So if you want to get started again, click on the first link in the description below the video. You can book a call, and if this is a good fit, I look forward to seeing you on the inside. So with that being said, this is Karen Miro signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.